Good evening, friends. This is a Fabius GS machine from the Dragger. Now, just want to show a problem that can occur, or rather it has occurred. The ventilatory circuit connections are this way. This is the bag using which we ventilate. The inspiratory and the expiratory limbs are these two. It's lying on the floor, getting onto the chair, and it's connected to the mask through a filter. And what I'm trying to do is to do a bit of gymnastics here with this. Now, and I'm connecting I'm replacing the mask with a bag just to show that this is a patient. Okay. Now I'm hanging it on an IV set, and let's see, giving a bit of oxygen supply, and let me just close this valve and a bit of, okay, that's it. Now, if I try to ventilate in the normal circumstances, these two are the lines going to the patient, and the middle one is the one which I'm holding. This is the green bag. It's connected to the center of this part. Okay. Now, if I try to ventilate, see, the patient is being ventilated, isn't it? Okay. No. One thing I did wrong was I haven't put the fresh gas flow here, so let me put that. Okay, there's a bit of fresh gas flow. The valve is closed. Okay, let's do it again. That's supposed to be the patient hanging on the IV stand, and I'm trying to ventilate, and you can see the lungs moving. I'll try to get both in single view. Okay. Now, recently we had a crash section, category 1, and when the patient was intubated and tubed, it was a grade 1 intubation. When after connecting it to the circuit, the situation like can intubate but cannot ventilate. Nobody knew what was it. So finally, the anesthetist who was looking after the patient, he had the presence of mind to look at this connections. So what he noticed was the ventilating tube. This is supposed to be going to, these two are supposed to be going to the patient. This is the tubing which is connected to a green bag here, and we ventilate. Now this green thing, this tubing was connected here, and this was here. Now nothing happens. There's a lot of resistance, nothing happens, and you can see that there's no movement on the ventilatory bag. This can be connected anywhere. Now let me just put it back. Let's see what happens if this goes, the ventilatory tubing, that's it. So if you connect on the other side, that is this side, the one close to the valve, the bag doesn't inflate as well. It's totally flat. I'm trying to push in some air, nothing happens. The bag is still not inflating even giving an oxygen flush. There's no inflation. Now I'll put it, connect it back as it's supposed to be. And that's the bag, giving a bit of flush. Let's try to close this valve here. Okay, that's it. Now I can ventilate and try to get both in the same view. Yeah, you can see the green bag hanging on the IV stand, which is representing the patient's lung, is ventilating. So I just wanted to bring to everyone's notice that such a thing can happen. I think this section, which is connected to the ventilating bag, should be some way color coded. I don't know if this problem has occurred to any other anesthetist anywhere in the world, but I think there should be some sort of a color coding. That's it. Thank you for watching this.